Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you in this video today how you can create your Linktree page. Linktree is good with your promoting of your affiliate links. You can use Linktree to share your Amazon links, to share ClickBank, to share any of your affiliate links, or even your social media platforms like your YouTube channel, your Facebook, your TikTok, Instagram. You can all of those links into your Linktree. It is a landing page. So I'm not gonna take your time. Can I quickly say, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please could you do me a favor, like this video so that YouTube algorithm will pick it up and show to so many people to watch. Take your time, let's go right in and I will show you how to create your Linktree to use it and promote your product links. Linktree is good for affiliate marketing. You can use Linktree as a landing page to promote your affiliate links. So that is what I'm going to show you in this video, how you can actually create a Linktree account so as to use it to promote your affiliate links. Affiliate links like Amazon affiliate programs. Now, I'm not going to take much of your time. I'm just going to go straight to show you step by step how this can be done. So join me, let's go on this one. And here it says sign up for free because Linktree is a free platform. It says sign up for free. Let's click on that. Click on sign up for free and it brings you to this platform. Here is what I'm going to use for username. Now you've typed all this in. You're going to come here and click on I agree to receive offers, news and updates from Linktree. So you click on that, you check that. When you check that, click here that says create account. Create account. Now it's asking for your password. You're going to create a password here. So go ahead and put your password. Let's say right. So put in your password and click on continue. So great, we are getting there. So it says tell us your name. So you're writing this name, Judith Smith. You click on continue. So it says here, select one category that best describe your Linktree. So basically what it's asking you here is, what are you using this Linktree for? You're going to tell them by selecting the category. Is it education, creative, business, entertainment, fashion and beauty, health and wellness, and all that? So you just select. For this, let's go with business. Yeah. Now let's go a little bit down and see what other information they require from us. Pick your business category. This is optional, but it's still okay if you want to pick. So because we're using this Linktree for affiliate marketing, we're going to select marketing and advertising. Select that, then we'll click on continue. So find your plan. Remember I said it's free, but they still have a paid version. It's up to you. They have the pro one, they have the premium. It's up to you which one you want to go for. Right. So if you go for the free plan, it's a connect your community, everything you are, free forever. Free forever. Bear that in mind. Now, what is included in this free one? I'm going to show you in a minute what benefits you would have if you go for the free one. Now, the free one, you have unlimited links and link apps, clicks and views for past 28 days, collect payments, tips, and donations. Now, if you go for the starter, which is customize and control your Linktree, £2 per month, it's a billed annually, £2 per month, but they bill it every year. So you check 2 times 12, £24 you will pay. Depending on your currency. bear that in mind. If you are using dollars, they're gonna calculate it based on your currency. If you're using any other currency of the world, that's how they're going to calculate this. Now it says if you are paying this, it's everything in free plus customizable themes, buttons and fonts, clicks and views for past 90 days, spotlight schedule and animate links, priority support, response time 24 hours. Now, if you're taking the Pro, they're recommending the Pro one. It's a grow, know, and own your following. £3.50 per month, billed annually. So they don't collect monthly. You just pay a year at a go. Everything in Starter Plus. Enhanced customizable of themes, buttons and fonts, clicks and views for past 365 days. That's for past 1 year. Integrations with MailChimp, Google Analytics and more, Commerce Analytics to track revenue, collect email and phone numbers, automatically embed your latest tweet or YouTube video, remove the Linktree logo. So when you go for this, your Linktree logo wouldn't be included if you go for the Pro one. Now the premium is £9.50, VIP plan for creators and businesses. Everything in Pro Plus, dedicated customer service manager, export your lifetime data, access to exclusive webinars and best practice videos, one-to-one onboarding and success meeting, premium support, response time 4 hours. Now, like I told you, this is entirely up to you, the one you want to go for. But for the benefit of this video, I'm going for the free one. So I see what's the next stage. It says join for free. So when you click on the plan that you want, you scroll down a little bit and you click on join for free. So now for signing up. To verify your account, click on the link sent to your inbox and then continue. Right? So I'm going to click on that link that they sent to my email. Email is there. It says verify email. So I am verifying the email. So I click on verify email, clicking on continue. I've verified the email and I clicked on continue. So here is where you change, you choose the appearance that you want your profile image to be. So we're going to customize it. This is the area where you can customize how your Linktree will look like. Right, let's go ahead. This is a blank one. You can see them here. You can see all this. Entirely up to you what you want to do, the one you choose. Let's go for this one here. Let's select this. This is the way it will look. Let's try if we can change the color of the profile there. That's where your profile picture will be. Let's try. If you click on this plus, you add more. You can actually select picture. You can actually upload your own picture. Let me click on upload. Let me see this one. I'm thinking this is, let's see, great. Oh, this is profile picture for another of my website, Daily Dose Insight. Okay, so for the benefit of this tutorial, let me just use this and show the, so let me click on crop and see how it looks. Okay, I think it looks good. Now let me upload it. So when you can see, you can actually add your own picture. You see, you can upload your own picture. This is the picture. I've added it there. You can always come back and change things if you want. Now, let's see what else we can do here. Remember, we're trying to customize this, right? So, yeah, I think I'm happy with that. If you're not happy with the Linktree, the appearance, you just change it, change things around, you know. Right, I'm happy with that. Let me check the black one, how it will look. Wow, the black one looks good as well. This is the blue one. Just play around, check the one you like. That one doesn't look too good. Right, I need to do when you are happy with it, you just go ahead and click on continue. Let's add some links. So now you're going to add some links. Enter your social media usernames and we will find links to your social media account. You can also enter a URL to add any link you want. Right. So add your YouTube. Here, if I put in my YouTube name, it will be added. That is how easy it is. If I put in my YouTube name, let me say Cashcraft. Let's see. Right, you can see my YouTube is there. That's my YouTube there. Is there? Right, so if I click on add, and then I'll click on continue. Look, my YouTube is there. You can see. Now it says set up your link tree, add 3 links, customize your page, share your link. Now I did 1 link. I can actually add another link. Add as many links as you want. Here I've added 2 links. Another thing I want to show is you can actually share this link. If you want to share it, let's see the appearance, how it's looking. You can come down here and you change the background. If you want, you select this background, but these ones you have to upgrade. That's why they are locked. When they are locked, you cannot use them. But when they are not locked, you can use them. All these are free ones that you can use. All of these, they're all the free ones that you can use. This is the blank one. You can actually create your own. Use the blank one to create your own, But the one that says upgrade, you cannot use unless you are a paid customer. If you want to add a link now, what you need to do, you come here. Let's say you got a link from your website, probably your Amazon website or your Digistore24, any of your affiliate links. All you need to do, you just come over here, you click on add link, you add the URL here of that link. When you add it, it goes straight to this place. And that's it. Then if you want to share your link tree, this link here, all you need to do, you click here and you see where it says share my link tree too. Click on that. You can share to all these social media platforms. You can share, or you can copy this link and take it to any platform that you want and paste it there. You see, I just copied it now. So if I want to paste it on any of my social media platform, this Instagram account, it's a website. So all you need to do, you paste it here. That's where you know editing your links is only available on mobile. Okay, so this is Instagram. I can actually add a link, but I have to log into the mobile to be able to do that because I'm using desktop. It's not going to let me. You can see what it says. Editing your link is only available on mobile. Visit the Instagram app and edit your profile to change the website in your bio. So that is that. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. And do give me a like on this video so that the YouTube algorithm will push the video for others to see. If you have any comment, please don't hesitate to drop your comment in the comment section.